for the AP exam. I know over the weekend I did send you a remind text to dare to view the AP exam for these problems. Show of hands. Who dared to see?
Oh, I saw
it. Didn't work out? Didn't work out? Didn't work out? How about you saw the picture I sent you?
Just the front cover, right? Yeah, the front cover.
Just the front cover? Okay. Well, we're gonna go over it today and revisit. So probably you have questions about what assignments are due in the next couple of weeks, and this is basically your 4 major assignments. So today we're going to start revisiting the 2016 free response questions, all 6 columns of them. And we'll see, you'll get an idea of how you did and how others did.
Can't remember them, miss.
You can't remember, but I have these same exact questions. Because they were released by the College Board over the weekend. So you're going to form groups of 4 up to 6. We're 24, so I really want to narrow it down to 4 students per station, since there's 6 free response. You're going to highlight, I'll show you the procedure in a bit, but this is basically the bullet points explaining what the description of that task. We're going to reflect over how the year went, and also I need some of you guys to participate in the student panel. I am having the informational meeting for the pre-calculus students already, and they've been asking about when would that be. I don't know if you remember this flyer that I sent out to you last year. Why should you take AP Calculus AB? What does it mean? What does it mean to you? And what are some of the advantages of taking AP course in math?
They have to give you a response?
You will reflect. First, I'm going to give you guided questions of reflecting how the year went for you and what would you recommend for incoming students. Also, what students are highly interested in is those students that have taken more than 1 AP class as a junior and more than 1 AP class as a senior. So seniors, I really need you to give them an authentic and very personal reflection of what it meant for you, trying to balance out your college applications, your scholarships, those who are in sports and were still taking AP class, those that dealt with the responsibility of coming for Saturday workshop and also trying to sort of not prioritize, but really understand what it meant for you to be absent in an AP workshop on Saturdays as opposed to going to, let's say, a personal event happening in your family. So class reflection, you will either be in that informational meeting or you'll be presenting in a pre-calculus class. So especially those seniors that have home period, I would like to block those periods for the seniors. Those who don't have a home work experience period, that would be the juniors. So I will need you in the informational meeting. And that is happening May 17th. You do have your end of the year project, cross-sectional project. I need to recruit volunteers, a lot of volunteers, for presentations. Recruit volunteers. We're having the open house for incoming freshmen, and I need 2 of you to either present your end of the year project, or either the unit circle from last year, or the Book of Life presentation from last year, or trig is all around us, the right triangle trigonometry column that you had to explore. Yeah, the flagpole, the high school flagpole, we measure the shadow, we made a chronometer. No, that was pre-calculus. That was, well, yeah, so either as a calculus or pre-calculus.
That was this year's
a math project to
we didn't do that
flagpole. No, not
that was this year.
Okay.
We did it this year, but you didn't do it last year.
Last year for pre-calc students. And last, you're going to integrate both the assignments for the 15-week and the 20-week for assignments for the notebook grade check. I'm just going to grade them all at once. So that would be, you can't really see the deadline, but it's May 27th.
May 27th?
That would be the deadline. And that's when I submit grades for seniors.
Isn't it
so May
next
27th.
week?
That is not next week. We are on the 9th. Next week will be the 16th. The week after that will be the 23rd. Okay, so let's go over how I want the groups. We're going to number off. Yes, Amy. That's why I was like, oh, you want to sit next to your friend? Of course. I know where not to review it.
The notebook's going to the 27th.
And the 27th. Okay, count off. Groups of...
What do you think you're doing?
Nice try.
No. Sit down.
There's 6 free response questions. separate group. 1,
5.
okay, you guys are group leaders. So you're each gonna get a free response question. So I'm gonna have Catherine, you're gonna be working here on this whiteboard. Tan, you're gonna be working on that bulletin board there. Elsa, you're gonna be working by the vocabulary unit wall. In the middle here, Christian and Olivia, the glass.
Can I get the other board?
Yes, you can get the other board. So we were 6.
Oh,
1,
no.
2, 3,
okay, 3, 4,
5,
6. Okay. So Grigor is filming you. I know where you're sat and what number you got. So go ahead.
5.
Oh, you're going to work? John, you can take the class.
We are.
Go like that.
You get I know you get 5 in there.
I got the funnel one.
Oh, okay, we're good. Yeah, we're good. This is the easiest one. This is the easiest one. Yeah, it was the easiest one. Okay,
Yes. Can you distribute that, please?
Erase the window, right? Oh, never mind.
He's looking. Come on.
Oh,
yes.
You better
oh, this is the aerial.
Oh!
And
What the heck?
What? There's the funnel?
so you can use the glass. You need to get whiteboard markers. You also need to passing the poster. Yeah.
This? I can do that with this Sharpie.
Just right over the marker.
Get the yeah.
And then you erase it.
This is your poster board. Just solution. Don't copy your
Yeah, that's where your group objective.
You can discuss on the whiteboard, but once you have your final process, I think it goes on the poster. What if we're wrong? But if you're wrong, I'll come and check. I will definitely come and
There's
that. Which does that?
What do we do on our piece of paper first and then we try to do that? Oh, shit.
What is that?
Who asked for these? So it's last here.
I don't know where you put the napkin.
So they're gonna, this is for your final solution process. Brainstorm. Once you have finalized the process,
Hey Miss, how do we know if we use a calculator or not?
it states number 1 and 2 was calculator allowed. 3, 4, 5, and 6 no calculator. Good question. I will make sure. So this is without a calculator.
Yeah.
Guys, do you know if you are allowed to use a calculator or not in this problem? No calculator.
It has to be a numeral value.
Only one problems 1 and 2 are calculator.
I remember it was like.
John, is this your group? So you can use a calculator for yours. Do you guys know if you can use a calculator on yours? No calculator.
Okay. So,
Sorry.
Okay.
Find the volume.
Once you go up, it's here on the screen. I'll go down so let me just go over the rundown. So on your work problem, you need to highlight keywords. What are the keywords? Just like what you're practicing. Keywords. You work for the solution collaboratively together. If you need to look at your notes, you can do so, but try to refrain from And also, I want you to talk about what are some solutions you particularly are wrong or others tested. Where's the trick on the problem? Where did they play? So misconceptions. Where do you think students got confused?
Oh, I wanted to do that one. Only the C one, man.
And talk about why. Why do you think it was there was a misconception?
So you're gonna do the graph?
So understanding the relationship between an antiderivative and the derivative. What happens when both of them are in the same problem?
I can't write it.
Right, but then this derivative has the
It's 7/2.
So it does not have a
Right.
You gotta use substitution.
Where do you think
Instead of moving the
3 minus 2 and then it was for 3 it was 950? Oh, you need it or keywords and also what are the areas and where you think students
What is the rate of change? What is the rate of change of the item?
you probably will share that.
Yeah, I didn't do this one either. Ms. Gomez, can you help us?
Yes.
None of us really know how to do C.
So the volume, what part are you in?
We did take it.
Find the average value? Average value here. So 1 minus,
No, 1/20.
so average value, they erase the notes, but this is average value.
because they're absolute maximum. Yeah, there is no relative value.
Really, miss?
Yep.
Average value, but it's okay, remember, everyone's filling doesn't mean you don't get to pass. So, how would you revise your work?
Well, B would be 10, and A would be 0. So it would be 1/10.
You're slowing down if it's
0.
And are you given what's the f of x represent the radius of your function?
That one I didn't know.
And then what would be your variable of integration?
Dx.
Look at your argument. What is the argument of the variable? In terms of h or s? How are we doing over here?
Honestly, I don't know.
What did you put?
I put it.
Speeding up or speeding down is the multiplication part of acceleration and velocity. Is going down, so that means, what is the velocity? Does the velocity and acceleration have the same sign? No, they have opposite signs, right? And you have it here, so you would say we have acceleration at time equal to